Okay, so in our previous lecture you learned how to do long multiplication. Now we're going to do long multiplication with some carry. It's quite easy. Let's look at this. 2 times 6 is 12. So we write down the 2 and we carry the 1. 6 times 7 is 42, plus that 1 is 43. Okay, now we're going to do our tens. And when we do our tens, we always put our 0 down. 3 times 2 is 6. And 3 times 7 is 21. Okay, now we're going to plus these two rows. 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 6 is 9. 4 plus 1 is 5. And 2 plus nothing is 2. There's your answer. See how easy that was? It's quite easy. You just add your carry in once you've done your times. Let's look at the next one. 2 times 9 is 18. So we write the 8 and we carry the 1. 9 times 4 is 36, plus the 1 is 37. Okay, now for our tens. We're always going to put a 0 down first when we work with our tens. 3 times 2 is 6. And 3 times 4 is 12. We add them up. That's an 8. That's 13. This is 6. And that's a 1. Okay, right. You'll get the hang of it on the next screen. Let's do 2 more problems. Beginning with units as always. 2 times 5 is 10. We write the 0. We carry the 1. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16. Now onto the tens column, and the first thing we do is write a 0 down. 4 times 2 is 8, and 4 times 3 is 12. Now we're going to add them up in neat columns. 0, 14, 4, and 1. Okay, next one. 6 times 2 is 12. Write the 2, we carry a 1. 2 times 5 is 10, plus this 1 that was here is 11. Okay, now onto our tens column. We first write our 0 down. 1 times 6 is 6, and 1 times 5 is 5. Then we add everything up. 2, 7, and 6. Not so bad. And this is your screen. It has your name on it. It's the screen, as you're aware by now, when you're going to press pause and you're going to copy down onto paper, and then you're going to do them yourself and then come and press play and check your answers against mine. Okay, see you just now. Right, I assume you're back now with your answers. Let's do them. 3 times 4 is 12, so 2, carry a 1. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Onto the tens column, we first write our 0 down. 1 times 3 is 3, and 1 times 2 is 2. Now we're going to add them all up. That's going to be a 2, this is going to be 12, carry a 1, 3. Okay, hope you got that one right. Let's do the last one. 5 times 3 is 15, carry a 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Onto our tens column, first we write our 0 down. 2 times 5 is 10, carry a 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus that 1 is 5. Now we add up. 5 plus 0 is 5, 7 plus 0 is 7, and 5 plus nothing is 5. Okay, so that's it. You completed the lecture already. I hope it makes sense. It should, because you've actually built yourself up this far now. You've looked at the lectures, you've done well. And I'll see you in the next lecture when we're going to do carrying with 3 columns, hundreds, tens, and units. Well done.